I am so excited. I have some awesome stuff to show you guys tonight because I've had a lot of people actually asking for this. 6 essential items for quick, easy makeup. This is the Busy Mama's makeup routine. This is the routine for you hectic lifestyle ladies out there that don't have an hour to get ready every single day. You have a little bit of time in the morning, right before you run out the door, as you're throwing your kids' shoes on and yell at them to get their coat on, and you have a couple minutes for yourself. But you still want to feel good. You still want to look good. You still want that boost in your step. You want that boost of confidence. I got you, girl. I got you. If you love makeup, make sure you click to follow. I have 6 products here that are essential for quick and easy makeup, so let's do it. The number one first product that is essential, and I use the word essential here because it is a must-have for all my mamas out there, okay? We have cray skin. We are stressed out. We need a quick and easy coverage product that is going to cover all of our imperfections and make us feel like a queen. Yes, girl, right? We're gonna use the Touch Mineral Liquid Foundation by Unique. It is the best foundation out there. It has time-released optical diffusers, and it is so quick and easy to put on. I'm gonna show you what I do. Coverage is insane. It's impeccable. And the optical diffusers in it give you time-release coverage throughout the day. This does start off as a liquid, but it's magical. It dries to a powder finish. So you gotta get that quick and easy foundation. I'm gonna put item number 6 down my brassiere because that's a little tip, guys. Warm your mascara in your bra. Item number 2. Let's put a little color in that face with a quick and easy contour as well. We're gonna kind of cheat. We're gonna take a bronzer that has some matte to it. So I'm using the Beachfront bronzer. It has a matte and a shimmer side. You wanna find a matte bronzer of some sort and take some type of angled like blusher brush, and you're just gonna take that and you're gonna draw like a 3 and an E on your face really quickly. Just gonna give you a little bit of color back in your face, and it's going to give you a little definition. You're going to take a powder brush and just blend that out. When in doubt, blend it out. Step number 3, cream shadow. This one is my favorite because it's a matte cream shadow. It has built-in primer. It is Splurge cream shadow. We're going to take a little flat cream shadow brush and we're just going to pat that all over the eye. Item number 4 that you need in your stash for your quick and easy makeup is a smudge-proof, budge-proof liner. Everyone's gonna think you're well rested because your quick 5-minute face looks so amazing. All right, we're just gonna put this on. You guys know how to put on mascara. It's super easy. This is a 1-step. The only difference is this Epic mascara that I use, best mascara in the world. It's a 1-step mascara, just goes on really smoothly with the wand. It's literally like there's nothing to teach you, okay? You just put it on like a mascara. Here's what I'll tell you though. It lengthens, curls, and volumizes all at the same time. It is that incredible. We are going to put on our final quick and easy makeup item. Must have a Splash liquid lipstick. Or if you don't like liquid lipstick and it scares you, grab a normal lipstick, throw it on. Grab a lip stain, throw it on, just a lip product of any kind. You're gonna put that color on and you're gonna go out the door and you are going to slay your day because you're gonna feel amazing, even though it only took you like 5 to 7 minutes to do all of your makeup because you have high quality products that are helping you achieve an amazing look in a short amount of time. So this is optional. A lot of people don't like to do their brows. So you know what? If you don't like to do your brows, you're done. My optional final step is doing my brows. So, cause you know, and you don't have to do them all crazy. You can just throw a little color in them, which is what I'm gonna do. And voila. Like ready to go. You guys, do you feel like you could successfully pull off this look? Maybe not specifically this look, like that I'm literally making with my face, but like, do you feel like you could pull it off? Could you do it? You could do it. You could do this. I hope you enjoyed the 6 essential items for quick and easy makeup. I hope it helped you out, truly do, in boosting your confidence in your busy, hectic lifestyle like mine is. And I wish you all the best. And I thank you so much for your support and watching. Love you guys. Bye.